Welcome to Batman's Nature Minute. My producers have told me I've been coming off as a bit of an alcoholic when giving my bad facts. I told them I'm Batman and I punched them in the face. That being said, today we're going to be looking at different aspects of bats. Today we're looking at vampire bats. Out of the over 1,200 species of bats on the planet, only 3 of them are vampire species. And they're only found in the New World, ranging from Mexico to Argentina and Brazil. Vampire bats have sharp teeth, which they use to cut into the flesh. And once the animal starts bleeding, they lick up the blood. They rarely attack humans, but on occasion they do. For the most part, they attack mammals and other birds. I'm not a vampire Batman. When I make people bleed, I do it for enjoyment, not for sustenance. This has been Batman's Nature Minute. Oh God, Alfred. We should invest in one of those voice modulators. This is ridiculous. Call up Green Arrow and ask where he got his from.